like a battle fight.
Talk. Talk.
What word can't you say, Joey?
One.
Don't do that.
What the hell are you pointing that at me for?
Fix that.
I missed something, didn't I?
Mom, it's recording. Say something. Really?
I can't find my boxers.
Well, that's a potential problem.
I wear my
Where
own.
are they?
Hey, Joey, I like your shirt. Where'd you get it? I like your ass, too.
Where'd you get it?
Mauricio, say something.
Something.
Suit cracker. Boomer.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Your cereal.
Mom, say something.
Something.
Say something other than what Mauricio said.
Give me a little something, something.
other than
Exactly, but she's supposed to say that. Mom, you're gay. Say it again.
No.
Bitch slap.
She just had it.
Your legs are warm.
Your hands are not. Ah! I'm trying to keep in as much body heat as possible.
No.
Ah, it's an earthquake! Ah!